Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we will learn how to download any specific version of macOS. So be it beta version or a public released version. As we all know that it can be very tough to download specific macOS versions, especially if you have an unsupported Mac or you are looking for any beta version of any macOS. However, thanks to Gib macOS, which is a tool that can help us download any macOS version from Apple servers. So let's get started. So before proceeding, first let me tell you this important notice. It is important to note that downloading macOS from Apple servers can only be done legally if you have a developer account on Apple Store or if you have purchased the specific version of a macOS. Otherwise, you may violate Apple's terms of use. So the steps are pretty simple. First, you have to go to this GitHub link. So basically, this is macOS Gib macOS is a script that helps us download any macOS version from official Apple store. So the first step is to open this link and click on this code and download zip file. So once this file is downloaded, you can simply extract it using any extractor. Now the next step is to locate this file, I mean folder. So this file will be downloaded in the downloads folder. So you can see Gib macOS master. So if you are on a Mac OS, you can simply double click this file, gibmacos.command file. And if you are using a Windows operating system, you can click on the bat file, this bat file. So you simply double click on it. So you will see a set of codes where you will see this complete download catalog. So as you can see that the latest version of macOS is macOS Ventura. So 13.3.3 is the version that you can directly download from here, or you can also download the latest version of macOS Big Sur, be it Monterey, Ventura, Big Sur. So this list of the available products is currently showing us the public beta versions, public released versions. So if you want to go to the beta versions, you can simply type C. With C you can see that you can change the catalog currently, which is public release. So if you press on C, type in C and press enter, you can see that you have the option for public release, customer and developer. So if you are looking for a beta version, you can simply type 4 and press enter, and you will see a complete list of the beta versions of the latest macOS. So these are all the beta versions. So for now, I am going with the public release version of the latest macOS, that is macOS Ventura. So all you have to do is simply choose the number of the macOS that you are willing to download. So for me, I'm going with 13.3.1. So I will simply type in 1 and press enter. So as you can see that the downloading has been started. So this will take around a while. It depends on your internet speed. So let's wait for a while. So as you can see that the download is complete. So this will give you a prompt where the file has been stored. So you can simply go to this directory, which is the same directory of the Gib macOS. So you can simply go to your downloads, Gib macOS folder, followed by the macOS downloads, and you can select the desired release. So since we have downloaded the public release version, so I will go to the public release folder, and you can see that I have downloaded the 13.3.1, the latest version of macOS Ventura. So you can simply double click on it. So now there are two methods to install this. So first is by simply double clicking this file. So you simply double click on it, click on continue, select your folder and click install. Type in your password and click install software. So as you can see that the installation was successful, you can simply close this. Now go to your Finder, click on applications, and you will see an application with the name of install macOS Ventura. So if you have downloaded the any version of macOS, say you have downloaded the Monterey version, so you will see install macOS Monterey. If you have downloaded the Big Sur version, it will say install macOS Big Sur. So you can now simply double click on it and continue with the installation. And the next, the other step is if you want to do a clean installation of macOS. So for that, you will have to create a bootable installation media. So how to create a bootable installation media, I will provide the YouTube link. I have already created the video, so you can browse my video description and double click on that and go to the video and complete with the process. Another thing is that if you don't want to use this method as we are using gib macOS from the GitHub, you can also download macOS files directly from our website. So we are also downloading these files with gib macOS and uploading it on our website. So you can simply go to our website techricher.com, mouse over the Mac section and download any version of the macOS. So I hope you have liked the video. So do share, like and subscribe, and we will meet in the next video. Thank you.